Hi everyone, my name is Olga and I'm a product manager at Phrase, and I'm excited to share a few insights on TM Threshold Optimizer, one of our new features. TM Threshold Optimizer is a feature that will allow users to configure their pre-translation settings in an optimal way in order to save editing time. Users will see the new recommended TM threshold values in their project settings under pre-translation. You can see this little new icon, and you will see the recommendation in a frame below, or in the organization settings when you are setting up the default pre-translation config for your whole organization. It will also appear in a little pink frame. And this TM threshold suggestion will be based on the data that an organization has in Phrase TMS. And if some organizations do not have enough data to provide meaningful suggestions, then we will be suggesting a general threshold calculated based on all of the aggregated and anonymized data from Phrase TMS from all of our customers. If user clicks on CY under the suggestion, they will be redirected to analytics if they have enough data. And this is an insight into where the number is coming from. We're taking into consideration an average editing time of empty pre-translated segments that a customer has or that we have in Phrase TMS. And then we're comparing it to average editing times for different TM match scores for different segments. And what we've noticed is that if the TM threshold is lower on average than 98%, it's actually better, it's faster, more efficient to apply empty pre-translation than TM pre-translation in order to save editing time. And it makes sense to set the TM threshold to the higher value, so like 90%, to have a very good quality of the match. And then the editing time will go really lower compared to what we have in the comparable empty segments. So this point here in the chart where the TM pre-translated segments start taking less time to edit than the NP pre-translated segments, this will be our recommended translation memory threshold value. That will allow users to make informed decisions on where to put their TM thresholds and how much to pre-translate with machine translation in order to save time and make their translation workflows more efficient. We're really excited. We're looking forward to your feedback, and we're looking forward to improving your localization workflows. Thanks, everyone.